Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 12th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. It's funny how the meaning of that sentence changes depending on which words I put my intonations. Palantir dropped 7 cents, 0.73%, closed at 9.49. Let's look at the big damage here. We are just caving again under this resistance. We broke outside of it during the day, but now we were pushed back down. We still have a good stochastic. So from a daily perspective, everything is all fine. Things are moving. Stocks are moving up and down all the time. So we just need to understand what is noise and what is signal. So far, stochastic is still over 60. Nothing to worry on the daily chart. Looking at the 1 hour chart, looking very much like Tesla actually. So first hour was pretty crazy. Lots of volatility here. Came back up to 9.54. Tried to close above. Closed above. Just for 1 hour, came back down, closed above, and then came back down for good with a little bit of rebound here. Stochastic is not too good here. Stochastic is not too good. I talked about the short I did on Tesla. Here, the short is a little bit better because losing this 9.54, you have a little bit longer to go down here than Tesla in terms of percentage. I did not do the calculation, but this is what seems to be happening. Let's go back to the daily chart. Yeah, stochastic over 60, so still good. We have lost our thumbs up. I'm going to put them back again. This is great. We have the two lines of MACD above zero, so this is a good sign. This is a good sign. We should be moving somewhere. But so far, as I always say, resistance lines and support lines are more important than the indicators are there. As soon as we break this downward resistance again, then we should go for a little while. Everything else is super great. RSI is super great. That's on the daily chart only. This thumb up is also on the daily chart, and DMI also great on the daily chart. Yeah, so we are caving in a little bit, but if we maintain ourselves above $9, nothing to worry there. If we start breaking $9, it's gonna mean that we might be breaking this support. So then I would start to worry. If you are holding Palantir long, I would worry a little bit. But so far, everything's fine. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.